Total Wireless offers prepaid plans, so cancellation is straightforward with no contracts or early termination fees. To cancel, you have three primary options. First, call Total Wireless customer support at 1-800-867-7183. Be prepared to provide your account details. Second, use the Total Wireless app. Navigate to the account settings and look for the cancellation option. The app is available on all app stores and online. Third, visit the Total Wireless website at totalwireless.com/account and manage your account settings online. Your service will end immediately upon cancellation. Make sure to request a prorated refund for any unused data if applicable. The refund should be processed within 14 days. If you've used device as a service, return the leased device to avoid additional charges. Auto refill is an opt-in feature designed to prevent service interruptions by automatically recharging your account when the balance drops low. To disable auto refill, use the Total Wireless app or website. Navigate to your account settings and locate the Auto Refill Management section. You can pause the feature temporarily or disable it completely. If you are ending service, disabling auto refill is crucial to prevent unintended charges. Recent updates allow you to set customizable balance thresholds for when auto refills occur. For service termination, if you plan to switch carriers and keep your number, ensure you obtain a porting code from Total Wireless customer support. The porting code allows you to transfer your number to another provider. Your service will terminate at the end of your current billing cycle after requesting this code. Double-check your account status after making any changes to ensure they were processed correctly and avoid overcharges.